Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, September 2nd. This is my analysis for gold, and we're on the daily time frame. So gold did go all the way back up to the previous highs. And actually, if you look, it did spike above, and it did make new all-time highs. I still personally think there's a good chance this is like a wave forward. I still think there's a good chance that, we're in a wave X of wave forward. We have the W right here and that eventually it could make a big three-way pattern to the downside, going down to maybe even $3,000 an ounce or even a little bit lower to finish off day wave four. But with gold, we really do have to be very cautious because gold is literally in an uptrend on every single time frame, meaning that there's really nothing to tell us that it's not just going to potentially keep on going up. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, if you want to wait for some more confirmation about the move down, I would definitely suggest waiting for the break of structure to the downside. If it breaks structure to the downside in a big way with a lot of momentum, then after the break of structure is when I would start looking for shorts. I have my Fibonacci retracement on here just in case it does decide to make a three-way pattern down to a fib level and turn back up. Because like I said, every single higher time frame is in an uptrend, and there definitely is a chance that it just keeps on trending. So definitely don't rule out the possibility of more new all-time highs. But if it does break structure, after the break of structure, I would start looking for pullback entries to go short. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.